Hello, today we're going to talk about something called the magic silent E. You may have seen that before. We're going to talk about how it changes words and the sounds that different letters make. Before we do that, let's go over our vowel sounds and names. Right at the bottom of our screen here, we have all of our vowels. We know A says A, E says eh, I says I, O says ah, and U says ah. We're going to practice our vowel sounds. I'm going to roll this cube up here, and whatever it lands on, we're going to say the sound that that letter makes. A says ah. O says ah. A says ah. E says eh. O says ah. A says ah. E says eh. A says ah. Let's roll it one more time. U says So the names of the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. But the sounds that they make is actually the short sound a, I, and We're going to learn today the long sound. When we talk about the long sound of a vowel, the vowel says its name. So A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U says U. Let's try it. Now we have a word here. Let's sound it out. B. What's the word? Tub. Look what happens when I put an E at the end of tub. Now it says tube. Remember, when we add a magic E to the end of a word, E is silent and makes no sound, and it tells the vowel in the middle of the word to change its sound to say its name. So this case, U says U. So we have tube, tube. So when we have no E, it's tub. When we add an E, now it's tube. Just one little letter makes a big difference. Let's try another one. In. What's the word? Pin. Okay, now what happens if I put an E at the end? Our magic silent E is at the end of this word, so we don't make an E sound, and I doesn't say I anymore. Now it says I. Listen. Ein. Now what's the word? Pine. Okay, like a pine tree. So when it's got an E at the end, it's pine. And I in the middle with no E at the end is just pin. Nice job. Let's try it one more time. Okay. We have what word here? You sound it out. Did you read the word cap? Okay, so now let's add our magic silent E to the end. What's the word now? Remember, E doesn't make any sound. It's a magic silent E. A is going to say its name, A, in this word. Ape. Did you get the word cape? Let's see. We have a cap and we have cape. Nice job. All right. Now what word do we have? At, mat. What happens when we put magic E at the end? ate, mate. Yeah, when we have no E, it's just a mat. But when we add an E, it's mate, like two people who are friends. All right, last one. Let's try it together. You read it first. Ought, taught. Let's see what happens when we add silent E to the end. What word did you get now? Oat, tote. That's right. When we take away the E sound from the word, we change O to say O. Oat. We get the word tote. Tote is another word for a bag. It's a big bag, tote. And a tot is a name for a child. Tot, tote. All right, boys and girls, it sounds like you are ready. I have a worksheet for you to complete with Magic E. Do your best work